Hey guys, Ian here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing week 3 of Supreme item. Supreme week 3 was a wild card for me. It was the Nike Supreme collab, so you had all the Nike hoodies, sweatshirt, t-shirt, etc. But to be honest, I didn't like any of them and I was torn between whether to get something or not. There was a Supreme deck. It was an Exit Supreme skateboard design with Supreme and then the arrow with the guy running towards it instead of the exit. They had a Supreme. I thought that was dope and that would have been like really nice decorative piece. I still have yet to own any Supreme deck kind of to use it as a decorative piece, but that was one of the things that I would definitely would have got if I had an opportunity to. But things got carried away, but again, I went on 12 o'clock. I didn't really pay attention to the Nike Supreme drop, so again, nothing really caught my eye at the time, but there was something still there, and I thought it was really nice. It was the black and white colorway, and it was the Supreme American sweatshirt. I thought that was the most slept on item. It was still there past 12 o'clock, so by far, no one really took advantage of it. I saw it on the day of drop. I didn't even see the preview of it and didn't think too much of it. But when I saw it, I knew I had to get it. So that said, I'll bring it out and I'll show you guys what I got. That said, the package came like this. So let's go ahead and open this up. Inside is the sweatshirt, and I'm looking for the sticker. Maybe not here. Okay, so sticker is here. Nothing special. Supreme box logo. So again, keep adding to the collection. And I was surprised it came so compact, but here we go. We got this Supreme Ziploc bag. I think last season they recently switched from just like a bag over it to actually Ziploc with Supreme logo. Hopefully this is the case with the t-shirt as well still. On the barcode it says digital flag sweater. So that's what it was, but it has the US flag print on it. So if I take this out, I thought this was dope. It doesn't really scream Supreme at all, but this had the other colorway with red, white, and blue for American flag. But I wanted to get the black and gray one. I thought this was more kind of like quieter than the actual red, white, and blue. I mean, I think there was third colorway, but it was like really weird, so I didn't want to get that one. I got it in size medium. Again, I love these kind of like sweater where it feels like it's been hand woven and whatnot. And again, in the front it has the, I think, Supreme logo written on it. I'm not sure if you guys could tell. And then we have stars and stripes, and then on the back we have the actual star and more clearer stripe of gray and white. This is a more blacked out version of American flag. And I think if the further you are, you kind of see more outline of it. Me looking at it very close up like this, that you can't really tell too much, but pretty dope that they made a sweater for American flag. And I'm not sure if the preview was more towards the red, white, and blue, because that was not something that I probably would have bought, but when I saw this black and white colorway, I just had to get it. So I instant carded, already understanding that I was trying to cart this at 12. And I'm not sure if it's still available or sold out, but pretty glad that I was able to get this. Again, I got it in size medium with Supreme logo. Nothing more to it, but I thought this was a sleeper. I personally think this is better than Supreme Nike collabed hoodie and everything that dropped. I don't know. Let me know what you guys got on the comment below, and also if you guys agree or disagree that this is a sleeper one for week 3. So I'm glad that I got this. Again, I'll probably try to rock this as early spring comes around, but the sweater season is ending soon. Definitely looking forward to the summer, so I'm glad to get this piece. That said, I'll give you guys a closer look and we'll wrap it up.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel